I don't know what's in here. Oh, are you down? That's what we got. For creamy boys. Just a couple of creamers. Face the cold. And I guess it's so it hydrates your shit when it's fucking freezing outside. So, it's playing hard to get. Okay, so, TBD on that one. We got a lemon. Biotherm.
It's a no.
You betrayed us. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, Cappy Capper. Oh, extrêmement crémeuse. Oh. Safe for work. People just rolling in for their lunch. Yeah. So we love it. Peace. Thanks, Biotherm.